Are you planning a solo travel adventure? It's important to prioritize your safety while exploring the world on your own. In this video, we will provide you with helpful tips on how to stay secure on your solo adventures. Let's get started. Before embarking on your solo adventure, it's crucial to research your destination thoroughly. Look for reliable travel guides, read up on local customs and traditions, and learn about any potential safety concerns. Being informed will empower you to make responsible choices and stay safe. One of the key safety measures for solo travelers is to inform others of your plans. Share your itinerary with a trusted friend or family member, including the dates, accommodation details, and contact information. Regularly update them on your whereabouts to ensure someone knows where you are at all times. When it comes to packing for your solo adventure, less is often more. Packing light not only makes your journey more convenient but also reduces the chances of losing valuable items or becoming a target for thieves. Remember to pack essential safety items such as a first aid kit, a portable charger, and a reliable lock for your belongings. While traveling solo, it's essential to keep a close eye on your belongings. Be cautious in crowded places and use reliable bags or backpacks with hidden compartments to prevent theft. Avoid displaying expensive gadgets or jewelry that may attract unwanted attention. Stay vigilant and always trust your instincts. Maintaining communication with your loved ones is crucial for your safety during solo travel. Carry a fully charged mobile phone and ensure you have access to local SIM cards or reliable internet connection if needed. Having a way to contact emergency services or loved ones in case of any unforeseen circumstances is essential. As a solo traveler, it's important to trust your instincts. If a situation or person feels unsafe or uncomfortable, remove yourself from it. Listen to your gut feelings and make decisions that prioritize your well-being. Remember, it's always better to be cautious than to risk your safety. By following these safety tips, you can enhance your security while exploring the world on your solo adventures. Remember to research your destination, inform others of your plans, pack wisely, be cautious with your belongings, stay connected, and trust your gut instincts. Solo travel can be an incredible experience, and with the right safety measures in place, you can fully enjoy your journey.